Planet Earth, 66 million years ago. These are Secernosaurus, who cross the deserts in search of food, although some sometimes only stay behind. There are strange, otherworldly landscapes too, such as here in South America. This may look like a dusting of snow, but these gray dunes are composed not of sand, but of gypsum. Gypsum is a fine, white mineral that dissolves in water so easily, it can only exist in solid form in the driest areas on Earth. These dunes are so dry that living here is almost impossible. Yet some dinosaurs managed to do so. Secernosaurus, a type of small hadrosaur. Although they can survive on a poor quality diet, every decade or so this area dries out so extremely that almost all the vegetation shrivels are finished. With young to care for, this could be the end of the herd. But some of the older, more experienced individuals may remember other potential sources of food and water. And they know that the way to survive is not to try to leave the desert, but to continue traveling across its baking dunes. With high winds and shifting sands, the desert is always on the move. And that makes navigation tricky. The herd prefers to travel at night. It's not only cooler, but also reveals a map that could enable an animal to find its way through the featureless yet ever-changing desert. A map in the sky. Like many migrating animals, hadrosaurs can recognize celestial signposts. By day, the blistering sun still beats down from overhead. Even if they can find shade, this for some could be journey's end. But there is something else that may help them. The deep rumbling sound of waves crashing onto the distant shoreline travels for miles through the dunes. The sound is so low that many animals cannot hear it. But hadrosaurs can, and so are able to find their way towards the coast. But this desert still has one more obstacle that must be overcome. Giant coastal dunes block their path. Steep, unstable sand saps energy with every step. They have made it. And their first reward is to lick droplets of water that condense on their skin from the fog that forms where dunes and ocean meet. And this fog also nourishes a rich coastal paradise. This is enough to feed the herd for now, but once it runs out, they will be forced to move on, and once more endure the trials of life in the deserts of the prehistoric planet. If you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe to continue receiving videos like this. Have a great day.